Welcome to our channel. Creating an effective remote work setup requires more than just a desk and laptop. A well-designed workspace can significantly improve your productivity and focus throughout the workday. Step 1. Choose a dedicated workspace in your home that's separate from areas associated with relaxation, helping your brain associate this space with work and focus. Step 2. Invest in an ergonomic chair that provides proper lumbar support and can be adjusted to your height, preventing back pain during long work sessions. Step 3. Set up your desk at the correct height so your elbows form a 90-degree angle when typing and your screen is at eye level. Step 4. Position your monitor properly by placing it an arm's length away and adjusting the top of the screen to be at or slightly below eye level. Step 5. Ensure adequate lighting by combining natural light with task lighting, avoiding glare on your screen while keeping your workspace bright enough to reduce eye strain. Step 6. Minimize distractions by using noise-canceling headphones, closing unnecessary browser tabs, and communicating your work hours to household members. Step 7. Organize your physical workspace by keeping only essential items on your desk and using organizers for cables and supplies. Step 8. Set up a second monitor if possible to increase productivity by reducing the need to switch between windows constantly. Step 9. Create a comfortable temperature in your workspace, as being too hot or cold can significantly impact concentration and performance. Step 10. Establish work routines including regular breaks, start and end times, and transition rituals that help you mentally shift between work and personal time. Your focus-optimized remote work setup is ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.